What's up everybody? So if you're new to the channel, if you've never watched any of my videos before, I am Eric, I am that one guy, and I do motovlogging. If you're not familiar with motovlogging, then I'll have a link right up here so you guys can click, watch some of my motovlogs, get caught up. If you're not new to the channel, then you know I decided to upgrade from the GoPro Hero 7 Black to the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And because technology hates me, I shot this video today unboxing everything, which is, I know, super exciting. But instead of doing that, because I suck at technology apparently, I'm just going to show you what comes in the box. Really, unboxing videos I think are so unnecessary anyway. But because this packaging comes with these handy dandy what's in the box now. I don't know if you can see that there on the video, but if you can't, there's a list of everything that's in the box. So if you're in the store, before I know, you wouldn't know what came in the box. Sometimes websites or companies would be kind of cryptic about what's in the box. So these unboxing videos were helpful, but now almost all the time you can find what's in the box on the box. So anyway, without any further ado, I bought the GoPro Hero 10 Black to upgrade from my GoPro Hero 7. With the GoPro Hero 10 Black, you get the GoPro camera, you get a charge cord, a thumb screw and mount, a battery, and a rounded mount. If you're looking for the flat mount, it does not come with that, so just keep that in mind if that's something you need. You also get some stickers and a quick start guide along with your manual right here. And this actually kind of nice. If you're familiar with GoPro's storage cases, it's a pretty high quality storage case, especially considering it's just part of the package. I like stickers, so yeah, that's actually kind of nice. If you wanted a quick comparison for how the GoPro Hero 10 matches up with if you still have the GoPro Hero 7, there you go. Slightly larger in form factor. You're gonna have, because of that, you're gonna have a slightly larger screen on the back here, and then also, obviously, because the big difference between, I think, from Hero 9 forward is this screen that's gonna show you what's here on the camera. So yeah, the GoPro Hero 7 slightly smaller, but again, you're getting these the mounts built right into the camera now. One of the things that you might not be aware of is that it looks like you can replace these mounts pretty easily if they break. They feel pretty sturdy, but it comes with two little screws. I don't know if you can see them there in the video. But these things look like they're pretty easily replaced. There's a magnetic feature here so that these things aren't just flapping around when you're not being used. I don't know if that's new from the Hero 10 to from the Hero 9, but something that to me that's pretty handy. And again, even though this is slightly larger than the GoPro Hero 7, you're not having to worry about getting a mount for this. So that's something that's really nice. A few of the upgrades that I wanted to make immediately when I got the Hero 10, we'll move some of this stuff out of the way as we unbox it. The first things first, to get a wider angle than just the standard super view that comes is with the widest angle with the Hero 10 Black. I went with a max lens mod. Now, be aware that if you were getting the max lens mod, let's make sure you guys can see this in the picture. If you're getting the max lens mod for your Hero 10 Black, right now there is no software package so that when you snap this baby on, even though it's compatible hardware-wise, it's not going to be the best quality of video because they're still waiting on the software or the firmware update so that you can use this. I've heard November 16th is the date for the update, but it's November 14th right now. And when I tried to update the camera, which I've already opened because we've already unboxed this, when you try to use the max lens, it's going to say that the update is forthcoming. So with the max lens mod, you're going to get this nice little case that comes on the front and the back, so you can actually, while you're not using it, it's in this rubberized protective case. And then this can serve also as just the lens cap when you've got it on. If you have a question on whether or not you can use this with the next thing that we're going to unbox with the media mod, you can use the max lens with the media mod, just in case you were wondering. So inside this box, even though it says right there what comes in the box, you've got your lens cleaning cloth, which I've already used, and then the case, basically the rubberized case that it comes with. That is what you get with the max lens mod. Okay, get this out of the way, onto the next thing. And this was a big deal for me. is the media mod. Now the media mod, already opened it, like I said, comes with what you see right there. Comes with obviously the media mod, but also this mic filter that actually snaps on. It feels pretty solid considering this is just foam and plastic. It's on there really good. Like if you see me trying to just flick it off, because it looks like it just might do that. There we go. There's a little plastic tab to take it off. Also comes with a mount and thumb screw. But that's it. Just basically these three. It says 4 things, but the reasoning behind me getting the media mod is so that instead of getting the GoPro mic adapter as another piece that I'm gonna have to put on my new helmet that's on its way, instead of having another piece to put on, this is going to serve as that. So this can mount right on to the mount that's gonna go on my motorcycle helmet. Instead of having another piece hanging off and another wire. So that's gonna simplify all of that. On the back here, you've got inputs for mini USB-C, and then your 3.5 millimeter jack, which is what I'm gonna plug my external mic into when I do motovlogging. So again, form factor is gonna be larger, but you're going to eliminate the mic adapter you would have to use otherwise. From what I've heard, this mic is actually pretty good, but I won't be using it probably at all. So I won't really need this filter either. But also, in case you're wondering, this also comes with a snap-on for the light mod for the GoPro Hero 10. Also, I'm sure compatible with GoPro Hero 9. Also, it says right there that it's compatible. Okay, last thing, and this is the most simple thing. If you're gonna get the GoPro Hero 10 or the GoPro Hero 9, you're gonna need extra batteries. So if you get the dual battery charger, as it says right here on the back, what it comes with, you're gonna get the charging dock, an extra battery, and then the USB cable. All of that just to say, we've opened all these boxes and we know what's inside. Now you know what's inside. So whether you're here because you're a fan of me, you're a fan of my content, or you're just here to see the unboxing and the side-by-side comparison, we're gonna run outside, we're gonna get ready and head on out to do to shoot some videos so we can show you guys the difference, not just because you want to know the difference in form factor or in size between the GoPro Hero 10 and the GoPro Hero 7, but also in video quality. This was the introduction, I believe, of Hypersmooth, the first iteration of it, and the GoPro Hero 10 has the Hypersmooth 4.0, so we're going to put that to the test with some side-by-side comparison. So let's go get ready for that. Okay, so we're here ready for the test. One of my pet peeves when I watch tests on YouTube of new cameras and side-by-side comparison is that someone will walk a path or ride their bike or do something, the action of the test, and then they'll go back, they'll walk the path again. And to me, the inconsistency in that is that the person could be walking in a different way. They might have actually, there might have been a place where they stumbled, and what you're seeing isn't the same from both angles or from both takes. Okay, so what I've done here is I've set this up, try to get the lenses as close together as possible as we do this test so that there isn't any mix-up here as to whether or not you're watching footage from a similar angle or the same take. So what you're gonna see here in the test is actual footage of the same take. So trying to be objective and show you similar things. So we're gonna go ahead and roll camera and just give you guys a couple of examples, some quick side-by-side examples of the difference between the GoPro Hero 7, which has the very first iteration of Hypersmooth, and the GoPro Hero 10, which has Hypersmooth 4.0. So we'll see if we can see any differences. I'm guessing that we will see some significant, maybe not, but definitely some differences. Okay, let's get right into it. Up the stairs. I got the obvious bounce that you get when you go up the stairs. Up into some low light. Up the stairs. I got the obvious bounce that you get when you go up the stairs. Up into some low light. Up the stairs. I got the obvious bounce that you get when you go up the stairs. Up into some low light. This is something I've always wanted to do in a test, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna jump on the bar, swing, and then jump off. This is something I've always wanted to do in a test, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna jump on the bar, swing, and then jump off. This is something I've always wanted to do in a test, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna jump on the bar, swing, and then jump off. All right, so we're bouncing around, running over some obstacles. Got a hawk. I don't know if you can hear that. That was pretty awesome. All right, so we're bouncing around, running over some obstacles. Got a hawk. I don't know if you can hear that. That was pretty awesome. All right, so we're bouncing around, running over some obstacles. Got a hawk. I don't know if you can hear that. That was pretty awesome. Up we go. This is not very steady. Up we go. This is not very steady. Up we go. This is not very steady. Give you an idea of hyper smooth and versus hyper smooth 4.0 on some uneven trail. Give you an idea of hyper smooth and versus hyper smooth 4.0 on some uneven trail. Give you an idea of hyper smooth and versus hyper smooth 4.0 on some uneven trail. And we'll just walk a little bit too, just to give you guys an idea of hyper smooth and how it's going to do. And we'll just walk a little bit too, just to give you guys an idea of hyper smooth and how it's going to do. And we'll just walk a little bit too, just to give you guys an idea of hyper smooth and how it's going to do. So make the choice for yourself. If you guys have questions about either of these cameras, we're going to be doing a lot of testing, obviously, with the Hero 10 as we go along. But this is what I've got for you today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. If you found it helpful, make sure you also hit that thumbs up down there. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I didn't mention most of my content is not on my bicycle, it's on my motorcycle. I'm a moto vlogger. So if you are not familiar with the channel, please come back and see me. My name is Eric. I'm that one guy, asking you to please be kind to others. And I am out.